Good morning. Today is Monday, March 9th. We are starting the week in the Eureka Effect category with a discovery that will make us look differently at our breakfast and our mood. Our message of the day is the gut is our second brain. 95% of serotonin, the hormone of peace and satisfaction, is produced right there. Want a clear mind? Let's start with a clean plate. Have you ever wondered why we feel butterflies in our stomach when we are in love, or a heavy knot when we are very nervous? These are not just metaphors. This is a direct connection between the two most important control centers in our body. What exactly is the Eureka Effect? Our gut has its own nervous system. It is so complex that scientists call it our second brain. It works autonomously but maintains a continuous dialogue with the main brain through the massive vagus nerve, the longest nerve in our body. Did you know that 90% of information travels from the belly to the head, and only 10 the other way around? This means that often it's not our thoughts that spoil our mood, but the state of our microbiome giving a direct signal to the brain: time to worry. In life, it works like this. When we overindulge in sugar or fast food, we throw a real party for bad bacteria. This triggers inflammation. which sends an alarm signal to the brain. As a result, we feel irritable, distracted, and experience groundless anxiety. What can we do about it today? To make our second brain work for us, let's give it the right fuel. Fiber and whole foods. This is our social package for good bacteria. Less sugar, fewer emotional roller coasters. A glass of clean water in the morning. The first step toward internal silence. Our peace today literally lies on our plate. Let's choose what nourishes not only our body, but also our resilience. When there is order in the gut, there is space for light in our thoughts. Take care of your inner cosmos, and it will surely respond with harmony. Your Eureka Effect by Advance Embrace.